and then they have chairs and all of that.
Yeah. Because we
Yeah,
were,
you walk in there. You walk. I guess you get a plate, and then you can get whatever the lechon. I don't know how it works.
yeah.
I've been telling.
need more time, man. I need like a month or two in Dipolog.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Wow, you need to live there.
Yeah, I need to leave there. Sit down for a second.
Where are you going?
Sit down for a second.
yeah. It's the lechon. Well, we never tried the lechon there, but we've been
No,
wanting to.
you better try it while it's hot.
Hey, you had lechon when you came, right?
Yeah,
Your family?
yeah, we have like, well, actually, my all of my sibling was around, so we were like decided to get the reunion.
Oh yeah.
But
So you
even
haven't
I
had
was,
it.
huh? Sorry.
Go ahead. It's fine.
Even I wasn't there. If they have party, if they wanted to have a lechon, they can do it anytime. They have it in the backyard anyway.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So if they
No,
want,
I was saying because you haven't had lechon like in a long time, no? Or y'all still make lechon over there in Florida?
oh no, there is there is someone that you can order with. You ask
Mm,
them to do it for you, but I haven't tried. So that
no.
was like 5 years ago. I never ate lechon.
It's been a while, right?
Yeah,
Wala lechon?
yeah.
Wow.
Wala lechon. But the lechon, what is the best on it? It's only the skin.
Oh yeah. I I I love it all. When it comes to lechon, I don't discriminate. Man,
That's true.
whenever they whenever they used to invite us to like a house, like a party or something, and they have lechon. I always tell Tina, hey, you need to focus that one, this one, and then she gets mad. She's like, hey, and I'm like, man, well, don't. I they invite me. Yeah, I want lechon. She's just like, hey.
You want lechon? I'm invited, so I should have my slice too.
Yeah, so she gives me like this lechon and two brown rice, and I'm like, I don't want two brown rice, man. I want lechon.
Unlimited rice, huh?
Unlimited. Unlimited.
Yeah, she gives me a limited rice. I'm like, no, no, no.
You
And
have to eat it because you know how hard to cook
Right,
it.
right, right.
it's a lot of time consuming. And then the humba, yeah, when I make humba, the humba is good too. But some people make the humba a little more salty, or I don't know.
Oh,
Sometimes
what's
I,
humba?
I guess
The
humba is
great
the
pork.
pork,
I cooked it last time.
Ah, okay.
the pork with the I don't know,
It,
brown sauce that is like sweet.
Right,
yeah.
right, right.
Yeah, that's man, that is good, bro. That's like one of my favorites. But
Did they have lechon at the that last party for the brother?
yeah, yeah, but I didn't eat. I didn't
Ah,
eat. Um, I don't even remember why I didn't eat. I think it's because I had arrived already. Tina said
okay.
that they were gonna make lechon over here and all of that. We did get a piece, but
Right, right.
um, we got a piece, but I didn't eat it. I didn't eat it fresh or nothing because I was like, I think I had just ate or something.
Right.
Then- Yeah, and then she brought it later. But
We
yeah,
did
they
it.
cooked.
We did it at
Oh yeah,
her house.
yeah,
We
yeah.
we
That's what we were just talking about.
yeah. It was huge. It's like holy
Yeah.
smoke.
I think it was like 60 kilos. So
It
it
was a
wasn't,
big hog.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I
60
think it was
kilos.
60 kilos.
Hey, and we probably ate